Your goal should be that whenever you drive traffic to your funnel, you should be getting affiliate sales. You can then reinvest your profits back into buying more traffic, and as a result, continue to build your list. Now, if you're getting a lot of opt-ins, but your affiliate offer is not converting, then it may be time to change the affiliate's offer. Okay. However, if things are going great, you don't really have to change things. It's always good to improve on your funnel as well. So when you have time, you can add your own upsells to the funnel. Okay, so you could create a product that's related to the affiliate offer and sell it in one of the upsells. You can even just use a private label rights product for the upsell. If you don't know what private label rights is, or PLR, basically these are products that you can buy, and you have the right to edit the content and also claim yourself as the author of the product. And gradually, over time, you can add more offers to the funnel and to your back end, such as in your autoresponder follow ups, to increase the customer value and your cash flow.